Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a Clash of Clans player looking to change your in-game name but don't know how to do it, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I will show you quick and easy step-by-step guide to changing your Clash of Clans name. Let's get started. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Clash of Clans application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap onto the settings icon from the down right corner of your screen. This will open up the settings menu. Here you will see an option labeled change name. Tap on it. To change your name, you should be at level 5 town hall currently, which I don't have. But for you guys, I will guide you how to change the name. After tapping change name, enter the name you would like to use. Keep in mind that your name must follow Clash of Clans guidelines, so avoid any offensive word or special characters that aren't allowed. After entering your new name, you will be asked to confirm it by typing it again. Double check for any typo before hitting the confirm button. And that's it, you have successfully changed your Clash of Clans name. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.